Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're good, thank you. How are you?
I am good too, thank you. Did you do your homework?
Yes, we did our homework.
Great, let's check it together. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have a question. I don't understand this math problem.
No problem. I will help you with it.
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. Now, what are we learning today?
What are we learning today?
Today, we are going to learn about animals.
I love animals.
That's great to hear. Can you share a fun fact about animals?
Did you know a group of crows is called a murder?
That's interesting. Good job. Can I share something?
Yes, please.
A group of lions is called a pride. What's your favorite subject?
I really like art.
Art is a wonderful subject. Can we do an art project today?
Yes, please.
Yes, we can do an art project later.
Yay!
Pay attention, everyone.
I am listening, teacher.
Good manners are important. Remember to say please and thank you.
Right. I helped my friend yesterday.
That is very kind of you. What is your favorite color?
I like blue. What about you?
I like red and green.
Those are vibrant colors. Can we read a story today?
Of course, we can read a story later.
I love story time.
It is a great way to learn. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher like you.
That is a wonderful dream. Work hard for it.
I will. Thank you for being the best teacher.
Dear students, here is some advice for you. Listen attentively, wait your turn to speak, and raise your hand. Be polite, share and collaborate, keep your area clean, apologize and forgive.
And now some advice for teachers.
Lead by example. Set clear expectations. Encourage open communication.